How do I find out which Forex pair and time frame is best to trade? It's a common question all traders ask. Maybe you can figure it out the hard way by switching from chart to chart to find the trend, but if that's not hard enough, consider that markets change over time. A system designed for a trending market can turn into a trap which suddenly fails to make profit. Imagine if you could quickly scan all currency pairs and time frames to find the best trend and dramatically increase the profitability of any method you trade. If you're struggling with erratic market chaos when the trend direction is unclear, then this is the solution. So how does it work? Our powerful computers continuously work to find the best pair and time frame for you at any time. The result is the most clean pair and time frame with a nice trend, and this is the key to reduce unnecessary losses and increase your odds of winning by simply following the best trend. As you know, trading against the trend leads to loss after loss, but trading with the trend leads to profits, or at least increases profitability of any method or robot you trade. Trading within the range is unpredictable and risky, unless you know exactly what you're doing. The truth is that most Forex systems or robots make money with the trend, but lose money in a choppy market. But the tricky part is to find that good trend. Let me tell you one big mistake most traders make all the time. They're used to focusing on one specific pair and time frame. 90% of traders only trade the major pairs, mainly the euro, the cable, the Aussie and the yen. The reason is clear. It's beyond human power to watch all the currency pairs. The Forex Trendy tool scans 34 Forex pairs on all time frames from minute to monthly. It would take you hours analyzing every single chart. Forex Trendy crunches all the charts within a second. You don't have to wait during the choppy market, just pick the best trending pair at any time. It scans even the exotic currency pairs, such as the Norwegian krone, the Sing dollar, or the Hong Kong dollar, which gives you a great advantage. You don't have to limit yourself to basic Forex pairs though. There are more trading opportunities out there. When one becomes choppy, throw it away and jump to another pair. Forex Trendy quickly gives you the next best pick. You can even set up audible alerts so that when there's a pretty trending trade, you won't miss it. The Forex Trendy application works independently from your trading platform. You can use your favorite trading platforms such as MetaTrader, NinjaTrader, TradeStation, etc. because the software is actually running on our computers located in Florida. What you get is just a clean trend at any time. For a small fee, you get access to use this online application. Bring your trading to the next level with the easiest, smartest tool in the Forex arena. Just click on the link below the video. Here's what's inside. No thick ebooks to read or complex software to install, just instant auto analysis of the cleanest pairs and timeframes with a nice trend. No matter if you're a novice or advanced trader, everyone immediately benefits from this smart application. Now a special bonus. Automated chart pattern recognition software that can recognize triangles, flags, wedges, and strong trend lines in all currency pairs and timeframes, so you're always prepared for every potential breakout. The audible alerts will tell you about the confirmed patterns in real time, so you don't miss the explosive price movements following the breakout. Your current approach is probably why you're not profiting consistently or still looking for a better trading system. Are you doing the same thing and expecting different results? Forex Trendy is not a system, but a powerful trading tool that's designed to help improve the accuracy of any system or strategy that you're currently using. In this video, I will log into the members area and show you exactly how it works. Put in your email, password. Here we go. The charts are loading. Okay, we see the first three charts of the best trending currency pairs and time frames. The trend direction, pair and time frame, and the trend drawdown. The drawdown is very low. The trend looks very nice. This blue line is the maximum drawdown. This is how the best trend is determined. No indicators, but pure price action. You can read more about this method in the ebook you'll get right after you subscribe. In the next charts, the drawdown is a little higher. If you want to see more charts, click on Settings, Let's choose 20 charts. Save settings for the next time you log in. Go back into Trends, and as we scroll down, the drawdown becomes higher, but it might still be good for trend following. The first chart is always the best one. If you click on More in this corner, you'll see a quick overview of the same pair on the other time frames. In this case, most of the arrows are showing upward movement, which is a good confirmation. So let's go back into Settings, and here you can select only particular currency pairs or deselect pairs you do not want to trade, or that are not in your trading platform. You can also deselect time frames, for example, the lowest time frames. You can set up alerts when the trend drawdown falls below, let's say, 15%. Then click Save. And the audible alert will let you know when the lowest drawdown on any chart falls below 15%. Another approach used by more conservative traders is to check the charts just once or twice a day and simply make a trading decision. Very easy. Now let's look into patterns. And what you see are, believe it or not, the automatically recognized patterns. Here's the pair and the time frame and the pattern name: flag, triangle, falling wedge, so on. Notice that there are often more than two touching pairs on the trend line. This is because the recognition algorithm is very good. When the price breaks through the trend line, it's likely to continue in the same direction. So you can enter the orders just above or below the trend line depending on the overall trend. These are emerging patterns, and here's something special: the history of completed patterns updated in real time. They are actually confirmed patterns because the price has already broken through the trend line. The problem with emerging patterns is that they can change several times, or the price will not break through the trend line. Unlike emerging patterns, completed patterns can be accepted as trading signals. For example, let's click on the link. And here we see the flag pattern. The price has broken through the trend line and it's likely to continue moving this way, often with some pullback. You can set up alerts in the settings. Check the box near Alert when new completed pattern appears and click Save. And when the new pattern is confirmed with a breakout, you will be notified by the audible alert. Another approach is to check the charts just once or twice a day. Look in the history of the higher time frames and you see that trend lines work incredibly well.